Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Walmart login issues, password and verification errors step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening another website or app. Next, confirm you are using the official Walmart app or the correct website address, walmart.com. Now, close the Walmart app completely or close all browser tabs to clear a stuck login session. Then, restart your phone or computer to refresh network and security processes. After that, re-enter your email address or phone number carefully and check for typos. Make sure your caps lock is off and your keyboard language is set correctly before typing the password. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and choose email or text to receive the reset link or code. Open the reset message and follow the link immediately because reset links can expire. Create a strong new password that you have not used on Walmart before. Save the new password and try logging in again using the updated credentials. If the verification code is not arriving, wait 2 minutes and request a new code only once. Check your spam or junk folder if the verification message is sent by email. If you use SMS, confirm your phone has signal and that airplane mode is turned off. Also verify that you can receive other text messages, because carrier blocking can stop codes. If you entered the code and it says invalid, request a new code and type the latest one only. Type the code manually instead of copy-paste to avoid adding hidden spaces. If Walmart asks for verification repeatedly, clear your browser cache and cookies or clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Walmart, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall the Walmart app and reinstall it to refresh stored data. If you are on a browser, try an incognito or private window to test without old cookies. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari to rule out extension conflicts. Disable VPN, ad blockers, and security extensions temporarily because they can block verification. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic to prevent security mismatches. If you see a too many attempts message, stop trying and wait at least 15 minutes before retrying. If your account might be locked, use the password reset again to unlock it through verification. If you recently changed your phone number or email, update your account recovery options after logging in. When login still fails, contact Walmart customer service through the help section and report the exact error. Provide your device type, app version or browser, and the time the problem happens to speed up support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.